So super quick, I'm just going to run through a couple of things regards the Photoshop interface. So how I like my Photoshop interface set up for making these kind of basic adjustments. We've got tools here. This is all going to be familiar to most of you, but we've also got the options up here checked. So when I click and make each tool active, you can see that up here in the options bar, the extra options are changing in accordance to which tool I'm selecting. So to make sure that you've got your options visible, go to Window and Options is checked there. I also like to have my Smart Guides on. So under View and Show, you can see I've got Smart Guides checked and also Pixel Grid, and also I've got Snap checked there. So I've got my Layers panel here, and I've got my rulers on. So to turn rulers on and off quickly, it's Command R, on and off. And they're really helpful when they're on, particularly because you can, when you've got this move tool active, you can click into the ruler and drag down and it will produce you guides. So one last thing, to navigate around the space, I use spacebar, which brings up the hand tool. And zoom, I either hold Alt and scroll in and out on my mouse, or if you hit Z on your keyboard, it makes the zoom tool active. Click and drag right and it zooms in. Click and drag left and it zooms out. Spacebar to pan around the interface. So super straightforward stuff, but just good to refresh at the beginning of this project before we go on. I'll see you in the next video, and we're going to start looking at resolutions and changing image size and canvas size.